Let's make a chocolate cake infused with red wine. The red wine makes this cake incredibly moist, and it even has a red wine infused Ganache Glaze. I'm using these wines that I got from Bright Cellars, and what I love about them is that they come with these little cards that tell you all about what the different flavors are, so you can look at the different wines and decide which ones that you like the most. I'm going to use this Pleasure Principle because I think it's going to be a really nice spiced wine. So this is totally an extra step, but I decided to heat up my red wine and add some oranges and some spices, some apple cider, and I'm just going to let that simmer for like 30 minutes and add a little bit of honey for sweetness. And now I'm just going to divide this to put a little bit in the chocolate cake and save a little bit for the ganache, and I might save a little bit for me later. So now we're going to make the bundt cake. Super easy. We're just adding in all of the dry ingredients into the mixer, and then we're going to add in the eggs and the buttermilk and the oil, which keeps it very moist, some vanilla, and just mix that up for like 30 seconds until it's combined. And then at the very end, we're going to add that hot spiced red wine, and it's so good. Now we're going to use some cake goop to glaze our bundt cake pan, fill up the pan, bake it up. Look how pretty she is. Trim off the top, because then you can eat that for breakfast. Cake for breakfast is the thing. Flip it over after she's been cooling for about 15-20 minutes. Let it cool fully, and then make your ganache glaze. This is just some milk chocolate chips with some butter melted in the microwave. We're going to add some powdered sugar to sweeten that up. Then we're going to add that other bit of spiced wine and mix it until it's nice and smooth. And then I just decided I wanted to add a little bit of red food coloring just so this is more wine colored. I'm not sure if I would do that again because it ended up sort of looking like barbecue sauce. I don't know. What do you think about that part? It tasted really good, so that's the point. My sister is here visiting, so she's going to tell us what she thinks of this wine-infused chocolate cake. So this is the finished wine cake. Doesn't it look so good?
It looks so good.
I'm going to take a bite.
You can really taste the wine.
Really do this with any type of red wine that you think might go good with chocolate cake.
How do you know which wine to choose to pair it with?
Well, the easiest thing to do is to just taste the wine.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it tastes like chocolate.
I should have known.
Still just eating it.